My question was on 5.3, and my question is on reproduction of bacteria-infected spider mites. So for my question, there are 4 female to male pairs, and for part A, I have to find the 90% confidence interval for the population mean number of eggs produced by the female spider mite for each pair. So for my question, it comes with the sample size of each pair, the mean number of eggs for each pair, and the standard deviation. And I already know that my confidence coefficient is 1.645. So to do my problem, I'll be using the confidence interval equation, which is x bar plus minus z times s over the square root of n. X bar is the mean, z is the confidence coefficient, s is standard deviation, and n is the sample size. For the first pair, I did 20.9 plus or minus 1.645 times 3.34 over the square root of 29. And I put the back half of this into the calculator, starting at 1.645, and I ended up getting 1.0202. And from here, I added 20.9, and I also subtracted 20.9 from this number, and I got the range of 19.87 to 21.92. So this is the answer for the first pair. For my second pair, I just continued this formula, and I just switched my mean to 20.3, I switched my standard deviation to 3.5, and I switched my sample size to 23, and here I got 1.2005 after I put it in the calculator, and from here on I added and subtracted 20.3, and so my range for the second one was 19.0995 to 21.5005. For the third pair, I switched the mean to 22.9, I switched the standard deviation to 4.37, I switched n to 18, and I got the range of 21.2 to 24.59. And for the final pair, I switched my mean to 18.6, I switched my standard deviation to 2.11, and I switched my sample size to 21. And my final range was 17.8 to 19.35. Before making my conclusion, I decided to round up for each answer that I got because eggs can't be a fraction. So my conclusion is, for part A, we are 90% confident that eggs produced by both untreated spiders is between 20 and 22. For male treated, it is 20 and to 22 as well. For female treated, it is 22 and 25. And for both treated spiders, it is between 18 and 20. Part B asks to find the pair with the highest mean number of eggs. And since the data for that is already provided, we can see that the female treated pair is the highest at 22.9.